Do not make the son feel chaste. Make him feel blessed. You were named before the silence. You were held before resistance. You are not what broke. You are not what left. You are breath, you are voice.
You are not finished yet.
Be strong.
Son, be strong.
You be strong.
You were never what went wrong.
You were never what went wrong.
You are more than what we lost.
More than distance.
More than cost.
No chains on your tomorrow. No dead inside this song.
I am sorry I am here.
No conditions.
Be strong.
I wore a uniform before I learned how to be uncovered. Stood tall in rooms with broken men, don't mention how they suffer. Have rank on my chest, medals in a drawer, but I did not know how to keep your heart from walking out the door. That is not an excuse, that is evidence. A father can win battles and still lose presence. I knew how to serve a mission, how to carry weight and stay composed, but divorce has its own battlefield and some wounds never show. I loved you, that is true, but love without reach can feel like proof that a father left too soon. And if my name ever felt heavy, if Hill sounded more like hurt than home, I'm sorry, son. You should have never had to carry that alone.
Can't rewrite the years.
I can't commend your trust.
Command your trust.
I can only tell the truth.
And leave the door with love. Be strong, son.
Be strong.
You were never what went wrong.
You are more than what we lost.
More than distance.
More than cost.
No chains on your tomorrow.
No dead inside this song.
I am sorry I am here.
No conditions.
Be strong.
They tell stories about boys without fathers, turn them into numbers. Make pain sound like destiny. Make absence sound like thunder. But you are not a statistic, you are not a warning sign. You are not the sum of what broke between your mother and I. You changed your name, you found your voice. You stood on stages I prayed to see. And from a distance I carried two things. Offer your gift and grief, it wasn't me. In the crowd saying, that's my son, that's still my son. Look what God has done. And I do not say that to claim you, I say that to bless you. Because a real father does not have to own the room to tell the truth. You can rise with another name. You can heal at your own pace. You can guard what still feels torn. You can become what you were born. And if forgiveness came before trust, I will not rush what time must touch. I'll keep my hands open, not clench. I'll pray without making you flinch. Here's my update, son. The evidence does not support hopelessness. It supports complexity. And in complexity, God still moves. So I will not chase you with guilt. I will not weaponize memory. I will not turn apology into a demand. I am sorry, plainly, fully, without defense. And I am proud of the man
You are still becoming.
you were wanted before the wound.
You were loved before the distance.
You were loved before the distance.
You were named before the silence.
You were held before resistance.
You are not what broke.
You are not what left.
You are breath, you are voice.
You are not finished yet.
Strong, son, be strong. You are never what went wrong. You are more than what we lost.
More than distance, more than cost. Oh yeah.
No chains on your tomorrow.
No dead inside this song.
I am sorry I am here.
No conditions.
Be strong, son, be strong.
Let your heart
Become your song.
if the road
inside this song.
I am sorry I am here.
No conditions.
Be strong, be strong.
April 5th was not a mistake. Your life was not a mistake. My failure is not your ceiling. My absence is not your assignment. I can do all things through Him who strengthens me. And son, so can you. So can you.